Good morning everybody, here we are in Sardinia and today we come to visit Morgongiori. It's a village where they make this handmade pasta. Okay, this is the pasta drying up to be bagged in small plastic bags. And now I'm in London, in Olivino, and I'm coming to try the Lorighittas. Here we are, from Sardinia to London, Belgravia, Olivino, and now we're gonna taste this amazing Lorighittas, which becomes now one of our signature dish, and it's one of the best. We produce them here in Olivino with bottariga and fresh clams, and this has become one of our signature dishes.